Hi everyone. This little quick video is to prepare you to use your phone to capture and upload an assignment through Canvas. So to start with, you need to grab your phone or tablet, find the Student Canvas app, tap it to open it. Once it's opened, find your course from the dashboard where you'll be submitting the assignment, and tap it again. From the home page of your course, the best way is to click the assignment links. You can go to the calendar, but the assignment is quicker. Once you click the assignment, then you will get a list of assignments for the course. Find the assignment you're working on and tap it. Next, you want to read the assignment details or directions. To do this, you will scroll down on the assignment detail page. Once you've read all the directions and know what you need to do, click the blue Submit Assignment button to move to the next screen. The next screen allows you, at the bottom of the screen, to decide what you want to upload or what tool you want to use. In the case of our example here, we'll be using your camera. Click the camera icon in the bottom left corner of your phone. Point your camera at your message, at the phone message that you took, and take a picture. When you take a picture, in the bottom left corner, you can either retake, or if you're okay with the picture, you can say Use Photo. When you use the photo, the next screen will give the photo a file name. Click Submit. The next screen will display in green that you've successfully submitted. You will also get a screen of confetti and a brief announcement message at the top saying your file was uploaded. At this point, you can click back on your dashboard at the bottom left of the screen to return to your course.